Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity on your Windows 11 PC. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. The first and foremost thing you have to do is open a browser. Here I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser. And then you have to type on the address bar Audacity download. Now open the first page. Here you will see your Windows option, just choose it. And then I'm going to download this 64-bit installer. Clicking on the save button, and there you go. Here you can see that this is an installer file. I'm just double clicking on it, giving the permission by pressing yes, selecting the language as English by default, and OK. Next. Next again, next, and finally install. And here you can see that the Audacity app has been successfully installed on my Windows 11 PC. So I'm just opening it. Just wait a few seconds until it's completely open. And this is the Audacity app interface. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video.